The Knitted Knockers organization has over 500 groups in all 50 states. And one of those groups making for good is in Oconomowoc, Wisconsin at a Ben Franklin craft store, where the goal is to connect crafters with a cause.
Knitted Knockers are an alternative to a prosthesis for women who have undergone a mastectomy or have had other breast issues and need to have some replacement augmentation.
Here, making for good means helping to make a breast cancer survivor's experience a little more comfortable.
I am a cancer survivor, and so I know what it's like when women want something to make themselves feel normal.
A knitted knocker starts with some knitting needles and some yarn with a little bit of stitches, and you grow them to the outside. It is filled with polyester fiber fill.
Every stitch made here at the Knitted Knockers group helps a breast cancer survivor, and the volunteers promise to make for good one knocker at a time.
I love to knit and I love to crochet and I love to make things for other people. I'll probably have it done by this evening. It's fun.
Keep up the good work.
Thanks.
I'll get you some polyfill. I can stuff. That's what I can do.
Yep, we need stuffers.
Why do you make for good?
Because I like to do things with my hands, and it's nice to give back to somebody who needs it.
Today we'll be taking some knockers to Fort Healthcare's Healing Breast Care Center. It's a really remarkable place for women to undergo treatment and recovery.
Just for them coming in here and showing all these colors and all this hard work that went into making these, and the ladies are knitting and crocheting, and they may or may not have breast cancer, but they know that these forms are going to be going to somebody who can use them.
Each breast cancer survivor who receives a knitted knocker feels a sense of sisterhood that comes along with it.
Definitely a sisterhood bond when it is my sister. But no, the people that came here and brought the knitted knockers, yeah, it was a bond.
Being able to receive these knockers from the ladies that have made them is just, you can't put a price on it. It's just amazing. They really make them feel whole again. They bring these forms, the funny rainbow shapes, the special colors, and they'll wear these and all of a sudden they're standing up tall again.
I certainly would recommend them, and at least to try them. It doesn't cost anything to try them, and they're very convenient. And you can adjust them to what you need.
If you take the opportunity to make for good, the benefits that will come back to you will be more than what you expected them to be. You'll be surprised. Making for good does good for all of us in so many ways.
With over 50,000 mastectomies in the United States every year, the Knitted Knockers organization will continue to brighten and improve the lives of so many women. And the volunteers in Oconomowoc will continue to knit knockers, give support, and make for good.
Hi, we're the Knitted Knockers at Ben Franklin Crafts, and we make for good.